Well, here we are again with a second truck. We finished the undercarriage on the dry ice cleaning on the green 76 over there. Now we're going to start on this one today and clean it front to back with dry ice. So just to give you an overview of what it looks like on video. Front wheel wells. Lots of grime and grease. Nothing that's abnormal for a 50,000, actually 50, I think this one's 54,000 original miles on this 1980. But we're hoping that it turns out absolutely beautiful, which we know it will. We took the plastic covers off the tanks so we can clean behind there. It looks like it has a light surface of undercoating on it. Way less than the green one had. See it up there, rear end. Wheel wells in the back. See the condition of the frame. This is how a vehicle that's 44 years old will pretty much look. But when you see what we did on the green 76, and you see what this one will do when we're done, it'll look like brand new again. Thanks to dry cleaning, Raleigh at Dry Cleaning. He's here to help us with this and make this look beautiful again. Super excited about this. It's gonna look real nice. Nothing more than normal wear. But it's sure gonna look nice when it's done. Okay, that's the video before. This is Raleigh after a hard day's work, and he tells me that
this is cleaned up.
He's been cleaned up.
I went to the restroom and washed my face.
I probably need to get you some soap in there, don't I? Dry ice extraordinaire. Look at what he's done today. When you see the before pictures of this and where it's gone to now, just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's just the half of it right there.